Welcome back for another Solana price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets here on the Solana chart, give you reasons why we can see a break above the $26.88 mark in the next coming hours, and possibly see a break above the $30 mark in the next coming days. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Solana is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the ETH structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement areas for that wave 4 highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. And earlier today we had seen a reaction of this target area, started gearing up to a point that we had seen a break above resistance at around the $0.2688 mark. And as we try to have a successful retest of that key area of support, you can see the retest was not a success. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a bit of a breakdown back into our yellow target area. And there are chances that we are going to see another reaction of this target area, start gearing up once more, see a break above resistance, get a successful retest, and continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And all this is playing out after we saw our lows at around the $12.89 mark, which is the low that we put in place on the 10th of June. And afterwards, we have been gearing up, obeying the ETH structures, where we have now put in place the high for that first wave, seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2. Then we saw that massive pump in the formation of that wave 3, giving us a high above the $32 mark. Then we started our breakdown move in the formation of this wave 5, and soon I'm expecting to see a reaction of this target area and start gearing up impulsively in the formation of that wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas for the wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I have a minimum target area for the wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $35.15 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Solana to do in the formation of that wave 5. And that is what I'm expecting on the short term here on the charts. And in case further breakdown continues, then this is the target area that Solana needs to continue holding, which lies between the $25.73 mark and the $23.8 mark. And as long as we continue holding within it, then we can expect our higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. And zooming out to also give you what I've been expecting on the long term from the December lows, where you can see that we peaked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $27.14 mark, completing the formation of this larger ETH wave count 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of this larger ETH wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area, fully maximized the target area, started a reaction to the upper side in what I've been terming as the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for the third wave by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I have a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $43.5 mark. And that is what we can expect here on the Solana chart on the short term and also on the long term. And also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 49 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross. That is a bearish cross, suggesting further breakdown here on the charts. So let's be patient and see how that plays out and I will be keeping you updated.